see. Yeah, that's pretty good. I mean, it's longer here than I would have liked. I know a butt joint is not the way to go, but honestly, not a lapping joint. You're supposed to do the butt joints, but I suck at doing butt joints, so this will get hammered up tight, and then everything gets seam sealer before getting undercoat and all the other crap to help seal it. But for the most part, I'm pretty happy with it. And like I said, I still gotta weld this. This is gonna get welded down here. Seam sealer goes all through here and everything. It's a curve. This actually, the rust isn't bad. It's mostly towards this end. Then it was getting pitted where the strip for the where the weather stripping stuff sat. It was all full of mud for so long, so for the most part, he'll do. It should hold up for I should get up a number of years with, you know, being, if it's properly coated and kept clean and stuff from salt and crap. So we shall see.